The Soybean School on realagriculture.com is brought to you by Pride Seeds, Cruiser Max Vibrance Beans, and High Stick NT.
Today I'm going to talk about controlling glyphosate-resistant Candida fleabane in soybeans. We're in a field and it's roughly late May, and you can see that we're just about to plant the soybeans. We do have heavy weed pressure here, but after scouting the field, we have noticed some Candida fleabane that has been emerging in this field. One way to control this is to use a pre-plant herbicide such as Aragon, Integrity, or Optil. Any of the products with the Kixor-based product are excellent at controlling glyphosate-resistant Candida fleabane. Tillage also does provide good control of glyphosate-resistant Candida fleabane, but the key is you want to have cultivation, really big sweeps, large sweeps that will uproot the fleabane, and really that will only provide about 70% control of fleabane. So you want to use herbicides in conjunction with tillage if you are a conventional tillage farmer to control this species. We have two different sizes of Candida fleabane here. We don't know at this point if it is glyphosate resistant or not, but you can see that the larger plant species here, this plant can produce anywhere up to 1 million seeds per acre, but most plants, depending on the size, generally only produce about 250,000 seeds per plant. Since glyphosate resistance is a maternal trait, all those seeds will be resistant to glyphosate, and only about 30% of those seeds will germinate the following year. So once you have this species in your farm, you will have it for multiple years. The seeds can travel upwards of 500 kilometers. So we're at a site north of London, so theoretically the seeds from this plant can travel all the way up to the Ottawa Valley, but most of the seeds do stay within that 1 kilometer radius. So any of the farmers in the neighboring fields could be susceptible to having glyphosate resistant Candida fleabane on their farm. Let's talk about control of glyphosate-resistant Candida fleabane. Work done by Peter Sikkema at the University of Guelph has found that the Kixor-based products, Optil, Integrity, and Aragon are very effective at controlling glyphosate-resistant Candida fleabane. The one thing you want to note with some of these products is that you have to apply it prior to planting the soybeans, and coverage is very key. So you can see this larger plant here, it is a couple inches in height. The density is fairly large. We do want to use 20 gallons per acre when using Kixor-based products, so 20 gallons water volume. Over here, there's some smaller species. If you do scout your fields and you notice that they're only about 1 inch in height, the water volume is really only about 10 gallons per acre when using the Kixor-based products. So coverage is key when controlling the glyphosate-resistant species, and you also want to control these plants prior to planting your soybeans, because control can be very difficult post-emergence in soybeans.